We are having a thunderstorm. Don't know if it can be seen through here. I'm inside. Lots of hailstones. Whoa! Beating down on the roof. And it is Friday, the 3rd of January, 2014. Oh, that sky. Earlier, it was brilliant sunshine, alternating with cloud. I was so surprised to hear the thunder. I'm not going out there. Oh, goodness, look at it. Wow. Look at those balls. Oh, there's the lightning. And I've got my computer on and thunder has come immediately afterwards. Oh, machines. Didn't open the door. Oh. Good grief. Oh. They did say that the UK was going to be lashed. Kind of, usually we're not quite as badly hit. Quite boring to look at, I suppose, but it's fascinating for me. And knowing this camera, this will be a huge film, far-wise. And I wish I could go out there, but can't do it in this kind of weather. Isn't it funny? Look at that. See the lights reflected in here. Wow, what a storm, eh? Look at it! Look at it! Amazing! Oh, I think it's going to come in. There's a gap in the window. Right next to my heater here. Pity I can't get more. Wow, this is amazing. Well, the battery will probably run out soon. It's hazing. God, it looks like snow. Not though. Boring. I think we've got 3 minutes here. Who knows? God, that sky's blue. Look at this shed. Can I get that shed in there? Probably not. This thing always washes things out. Ugh. I can catch fire if I get too near that. Ah. Could that be done? We will stop there.